In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Detroit. Let's get started by going straight to the official place to pay. Open your browser and head to the 36th District Court online payment portal through the court's website, or reach it from the City of Detroit Online Payment Center. Using the official sites ensures your payment is secure and properly credited. When you're on the right page, you'll typically see options to search for your ticket or case and a clear pathway to make a payment. Before you search, have your details ready. You'll usually need your citation number exactly as it appears on your ticket, your full legal name, your date of birth, and your driver's license information. The citation number is often near the top of the ticket and may include letters and numbers. Type everything carefully. Even a small typo can prevent the system from finding your case. If nothing shows up, double check the number and make sure your ticket was issued within Detroit and is handled by the 36th District Court. Once your case appears, take a moment to review everything on the screen. You should see the fine amount, the due date, and the violation details. Many times you'll also see available options such as paying the ticket, requesting a hearing, or using an online resolution tool if it's offered for your violation. Paying online usually means you're admitting responsibility and closing the case, so if you want to contest the ticket or ask for a different outcome, consider the hearing or resolution options before you proceed. If you're ready to pay, select the payment option and enter your card details. The court typically accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Make sure the billing name and address match your card and confirm the payment amount one more time. Be aware that the court may charge a convenience fee for online transactions. The portal will display that fee before you submit. After you submit payment, wait for the confirmation screen to load. Download the receipt as a PDF or take a clear screenshot and save it in a place you can easily find later. Keep that receipt until your case is marked resolved in the system. If an email confirmation is available, save that as well. It's a good idea to check back on the portal after a short time to verify the payment has posted to your case. And that's it. Simple, secure, and done from home.